What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Today we got an unboxing of the Pissed Off Barber's trimmers. I'm not sure if you've seen him on IG, but he has an Instagram page with thousands and thousands of followers. Funny memes, great products from what I hear, but I'm gonna go ahead and try them out for myself today. Like I said, we got the trimmer. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this and use it in the shop today, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So we got our box from Amazon. Like I said, it's where I ordered it from. So you can go ahead and get the Pissed Off Barber trimmer on there. He does have a lot of, I think, 2 different products on there. But here is the actual packaging. Like I said, the Pissed Off Barber Ghost X Slime Edition. So it does come with a charging dock. It does come looking a little bit skeletonized, but we're gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Very professional, very aesthetic. I like this. I like the boxing. That's one of the things that's gonna catch your eye first if you're buying products. But let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. The box just slides off. We got more of the slime type decor on the side of the box, the different branding for this specific trimmer. But here we go, we got the trimmer. But before we get to the trimmer, we're gonna go ahead and unbox everything else that is in the box. So we got a little foam to hold the trimmer in place right here. You got your instructional information, your user manual, shows you the maintenance of the blades, cleaning under the top, you know, all the good stuff that you need to know to keep your trimmers running. But let's go ahead and pop this open right here. So inside the box, we do have the charging dock for the trimmer. I love the green color, the bright lime green. I'm digging that. Of course, you got a guard. This is the 2mm guard. It looks like there's also a 3mm guard and a 1mm guard. So these are to trim up the mustache, little hairs. But honestly, I really don't use guards. It also comes with a cleaning brush to clean your trimmer blades. But honestly, if you watch my unboxings before, I use these brushes for color enhancement on the beards and hairlines when I use like different color enhancements that I have. But you got your USB charging cord and also your standard oil that comes with every single trimmer and clipper. But we're gonna go ahead and leave these 2 out, the charging dock, because I will use those, and we'll get to the trimmer. So we got the trimmer here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Very dope colorway. I'm digging that. As you can see there, the Pissed Off Barber. Got the power switch. Got your blade cover. You got a T-wide blade. The trimmer comes set pretty close already, as you can see there. But it has this little piece here. I believe you could take this off. Yeah, pop this bad boy off right there. And you have your trimmer skeletonized, so that way you can get around the ear easier, stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and use these in the shop, like I said, and let you know what I think. What's good, everybody? So I thought I would give you guys a real-time demonstration of exactly what we're going through right now. Right here, I'm making my initial guideline, bald line for my taper. And you can see here, not adjusting my speed, going through the cut like I would usually go through a cut. A lot of times when we start using new trimmers, we tend to take it easy on the trimmer just to make sure that we're not pulling our client's hair with the blades and whatnot. But with this specific trimmer, I'm just eating through this hair texture right here. This is a lighter hair texture. It is not as dense. Well, it is dense, but it's a lot more fine. It's not as thick, but it is eating through this hair, getting a crispy line. Cannot complain whatsoever. So I did try to get as many different hair textures as I possibly could in this specific demonstration. We're laying down our taper line for the side taper. I'm gonna go ahead and edge up the beard as well. This is a workhorse. I used it the whole day that day, and it was doing work. When you first turn it on, it is a little deceiving because you tend to think that something that is quiet and it doesn't really seem powerful, like you turn on some Fabulous FX skeletons, but it's deceiving. Like I said, you cannot judge a book by its cover. I laid that first edge up line to the neck edge up, and it ate through that thing like nothing. It was like butter. We're just wiping away hair, and it was just cutting with ease. Now right here, we're doing a little bit of clip over comb work with the trimmer as well, so I can show you how versatile this specific tool is. You can see me edging up, you can see me balding out, you can see me doing clip over comb, different hair textures that's doing the job, knocking it out. And with the camera angle and how zoomed in it is, so you guys can see these, you can see how easily it's knocking this out. And like I said, I did not speed up the video. I'm not adjusting how fast I'm doing the cut. Everything is in real time, so you guys can get a very, very good idea of how well these specific trimmers work in the shop. So we got it edged up around the ears, got the C cup edged up. I used it on the client's facial hair, and you can see how crispy it gets that line too. One of the great things about this trimmer too is that I asked my clients how they feel. Nobody said that it didn't bite them. I use it on kids, and then we use it right here for to completely bald out for a medium high bald fade. And once again, I did not adjust the clips, I did not adjust the time, the speed that I'm doing cuts, and I'm just eating through this hair with these trimmers. A lot of times I didn't even have to go over it twice. I just went one pass through the hair and it was knocked down. But that'll pretty much sum it up for the demonstration portion of this video. We just balded them out, and I used it the whole duration of the day that I unboxed these trimmers. And there are some workhorses. They lasted a 10-hour day in the shop, haircuts back to back. The charging dock was convenient because I could just place it back in there when I wasn't using it, so the power never gave out on me. So that's my gist of the demonstration portion. But let me give you my final thoughts here in a second. Okay, before we actually go through my final thoughts on the trimmer, just let you see how it sits on the dock. So here's your dock. The charging port is right there. Set the clipper down, or the trimmer down. Red indicates that the trimmer is charging, and then once the light turns green, that indicates that your trimmer is fully charged, just like so. So with all that being said and done, I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. You've seen the clips, you've seen how it operates, you've seen how sharp it cuts, you've seen the amount of bulk that it's ran through. You see the design, and let me turn it on so you can hear what that sounds like. So there you have it. I'll have to say, for $25, that's how much I paid on Amazon for this trimmer. It comes with the dock, you get the T-wide, you get it skeletonized. I have to say that this is very, very, very worth the buy. I'm gonna be completely honest. I really wasn't expecting it to perform as well as it did. I wasn't really expecting for it to eat the bulk the way it did. I wasn't expecting for it to be hitting right out the box, because a lot of trimmers, you do have to adjust them before you actually get them to hit. But these right here, I'm not gassing nobody. I'm not capping. These are totally worth $25. Of course, they will stand the test of time. We'll see how long they last and how long they operate in the shop, but they will be at my station. I will be using these on the regular. They are not too sharp to where they're biting anybody's necks or anything like that, but they do cut extremely crisp. And I used it on a couple kids yesterday as well. So I have to say, if you guys are looking for something inexpensive and worth the money that's gonna do good in the shop, do great in the shop, I would say go cop these Ghost X Slime Editions. Very pleased with the product. Like I said, you can order them on Amazon, or you can go to ThePissedOffBarber.com and go order it off of his official site. And also go follow The Pissed Off Barber on Instagram. The man's got some hilarious content. Nothing but hilarious memes and reels. Very entertaining guy. And I'm looking forward to trying out some of the other products and clippers that he does have to offer. So that'll be in the near future. But like I said, I gotta give these an A+, 10 out of 10. Worth 25 bucks. I think $25 is honestly underselling. But he definitely did his thing with this one. And yeah, go cop the Pissed Off Barber's Slime Edition Ghost X. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Hope you got some useful information out of it. Like I said, $25. I'll include the link to his actual website and the Amazon link down below, and you can go cop a pair for yourself. But other than that, thank you for tuning into the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.